Hey, it's Sunday morning. We're at an over jam-packed Balboa car show at the Funzone. And we got the Owens pulling in right now in their Bronco. Let's take a little gander, see what all is here. A little windy. Santa Ana's I picked up. It's a Sunday morning in December. Morning.
That must just scare people when they see this somewhere.
What up? I don't think he wanted a trophy. TII BMW 2002.
I came all the way
So you could just
Is that Mike?
boom.
I'm working out.
Hey, Dano.
Oh, hey!
Hey, Marissa.
Where you going?
Hey, what up? What's going on?
see
I thought you had a camera there. Look at this. The Campbells are out together in force on the island, from the island to the peninsula. Trisha, you got your hot rod out. How about that? How you doing? Hey, who's that guy there? Angel, what up? Oh, you got the hot rod out.
You tell him I said he's acting like an old man.
Yeah, exactly. He's acting.
Who are these guys? Whoa, my Momo. Whoa, what brought all these guys out? Hey, Mark. Is there like a Russo Steel show going on over here?
Yeah. January, dude.
Yeah.
Get your ass out there.
Yeah, I got to. I got tickets out there for me?
Yeah.
All right.
That would be weird.
Sounds like it, doesn't it? Sure sounds like it. Doesn't it?
This is probably my favorite right here, the TR250.
That's the Turner.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. It missed me. What do you mean? TR6, TR250. This is my pick right here. Yeah. Hey, this is English car roll. What's that? No.
There's a red one, a 250 down there. I
Was
had to
there?
do a double take because I've never seen a 250 before.
Wow.
I
Yeah.
walked by and says, oh, it's a TR5. And the guy said, no, it's a TR250.
Right.
I didn't
Yeah.
know the distinctive the differences.
I had a 4A, a yellow one with a black bumblebee stripe on it. I always wanted one of these. That's the man that puts it all together right there, Marcel. Good morning.
And I'm bouncing out.
Yeah, really. Yes, he left. But I got him.
Look at these handsome trio here. What's going on?
Hey, boss.
Hey, 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 hey,
Long
hey,
time no
hey.
see.
Yeah,
How
I'm
you
glad you got back. You man, you missed Friday.
Nice warm weather.
It's a, yeah, huh?
This is a heat wave for me,
Yeah. Yeah, you got to throw those long johns away now.
right?
Yep.
You done greeting people, Kona?
Yeah, just hanging out here in my Y job.
Cats and Tucker here?
Yeah. So that's about it for our walkthrough. We'll be back for more.
It's